Okay, good day everyone and welcome back. This new Telegram mini app it has the beginning part like dogs. Okay, we don't know for sure how it will turn out to be, but nobody ever saw that dogs would ever have this kind of scope at this time. So with this one being in the know currently, it's very important to get on board right away. Now, once you click the link in my description to register or to click the link, it takes you to Telegram. Once Telegram opens, see what you're going to see. Down on your screen, six icons: home, spin, tap, guest, task, friends. Right now, once you register and it finishes loading and making the rating on your account, it gives you a starter package based on how long you've been on Telegram. Right, you would see it for your own self depending on how long you've been on Telegram. Now looking down here, I'll click the spin icon right there and it brings me here. Right now you can exchange spin chances exchange 5,000 PEHE points for one spin chance, and you can see the wheel has a variety of stuff that you could actually take part in. Okay, now don't forget PEHE points is different from PEHE itself. Right, you can see the various, you see it 1,000 stuff here, then you see this other area where you have 10 PEHE tokens. Okay, so that's just it about the spinning. If you just registered, you'll be given one spin chance. You click this area and it would spin for you. Now to tap has a tap section where you come and tap, like you tap on the usual tap to end Telegram mini apps, right? Like you tap for the others. Now you come over to this side where you have to guess the price of tokens, especially I think it's PEHE. That's right there. You have two sections. I think there's one other Telegram mini app that has this feature. This is just integrated into PEHE, maybe for the record. So you click the moon icon to mean it's going to go up, or the doom icon to mean it's going to go down. And after the rating, after the countdown, you would win a certain allocation for yourself. Right? And you can see I just won. Well, I got lucky. So that's just it. So we go to the task section. We have several tasks that you can perform and also get PEHE points, or you refer friends to also get PEHE points. This is just what you need to do on the mini app, and that's just it. I'll be posting further updates as we proceed into the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button to stay updated. Okay, turn on your notification as well so you get notified once a new video is posted. See you in the next video. Bye for now.